Now guys, recently a friend brought a car, and now he is in the car for all the attention. Then the oil of poor quality. Then somewhere you hear something. Immediately redecorate, repairs, in a word, invest money in a car. Now he addresses the problem that the liquid in the radiator is disappearing. Every 2-3 months you have to add fluid. When the liquid added during such a period of time, this is normal, for the reason that the liquid will evaporate. If there and on the problem, smudges and something else. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.